Hello guys, welcome back to my channel the I-TechCreator. Guys, I am going to unboxing KECHAODA keypad mobile guys. So guys, let's get started from Amazon. Is the browser. You can see guys, 1460 only. Is the headphone. Earphone guys. So now wow, camera. So guys, torch. So guys, now I will install the battery. Here is charger. Guys, this is the opener. You can open with this. You can see guys, the battery, how many ampere I will show you now. Made in China. .7 volt, 4500 milliampere, minimum 16 hour, 16.5. SIM card, 2 SIM card and 1 memory card. So guys, now I will test check now.
भुजिया खाते रहते नहीं
This is the radio guys.
कभी सब्जी में डाल के, कभी स्पोर्ट्स देखते वक्त, कभी शूटिंग के बाद, कभी सोने से पहले, मतलब पूरा दिन ही खाते हैं ना? नहीं, पूरा दिन नहीं, सुबह से।
So now I will fix the battery now. And this is torch. You can see guys. So guys, now I will charge the mobile. This is a charging point. You can use as your power bank. You can see guys, this is the power bank port. So now I'm charging the mobile. You can see, guys. The mobile is charging now. Guys, you can use this mobile as your power bank. So guys, how to use as power bank, I will show you now. This is the back. Open the back cover. This is the USB port. You can see, guys. And now go to the set organize menu. Charging bank, then power switch on. You can see, guys. Charging. Now you can off. Now again